Hello, football enthusiasts! Welcome back to Why Do and How Do Journey, your guide through the fascinating world of human passions. And today we're tackling the electrifying question, why do people love football? From the historic roots to the intricate technicalities, join me on a journey to unveil the magic that makes football the heartbeat of millions worldwide. Let's start with our first captivating fact. The origin of football. The beautiful game we know today has its roots in ancient civilizations. Early ball games called kuju were played in China, while ancient Greeks had their own versions of organized football called episkiros. Over the centuries, these diverse influences melded into what we now recognize as football. Understanding this rich history adds depth to our appreciation of the sport and its global impact. Now, on to our fact number 2. Technical brilliance. Football is a mesmerizing display of skill and precision. The ball control exhibited by players, the artistry in dribbling, and the strategic passes on the field showcase the technical prowess that elevates the game to an art form. It's not just about scoring goals. It's about the exquisite craftsmanship displayed by athletes in every match. Let's explore our third fact, delving into the rules of the game. The rules of football. Beyond the excitement of goals and saves, understanding the rules adds a layer of appreciation for the game. The offside rule, the intricacies of a free kick, and the drama of a penalty shootout contribute to the strategic complexity that makes football more than just a physical contest. It's a carefully orchestrated dance of tactics and fairness. And now, our fourth fact. Global fan community. Football isn't confined to stadiums. It's a global celebration that brings people together. The passion of fans, whether in packed stadiums or cheering from living rooms, creates a massive global community. The shared excitement during major tournaments like the World Cup turns the entire world into a colossal football family, united by a common love. Ready for fact number 5? Here it is. Emotional roller coaster. Football is more than a game, it's an emotional journey. The unpredictability of last-minute goals, the drama of comebacks, and the suspense of penalty shootouts create an emotional roller coaster for fans. These moments become etched in football history, shaping the narrative and making every match a unique and unforgettable experience. And finally, our sixth fact, inclusivity of football. One of the beautiful aspects of football is its inclusivity. Regardless of age, gender, or background, anyone can kick a ball and join the beautiful game. From grassroots football in local communities to professional leagues, the inclusivity of football fosters a sense of unity, bringing people from all walks of life together on the same playing field. There you have it, football aficionados, our exploration into why people worldwide love football, delving into the historical roots, technical brilliance, rules, global fan community, emotional roller coaster, and inclusivity of the sport. If you found these facts intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more sports explorations, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, signing off from Why Do and How Do Journey. Keep kicking, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next adventure.